Dattatreya Nama, Dattatreya Nama, Dattatreya Nama. Now something will be told about the energy and the synergy. Energy can be described as an ability to work. Energy can be assumed as the power required for any work. Energy can be defined as the capacity of doing any work. The Greek word energia means being at a work. The word energia means doing a work. The word energia means performing a work. The word energia means performing a work. I have told the meaning of synergia and synergy. Synergia means working along with each other. Hence, there is a difference between energia and synergia. Similarly, there is a difference between energy and synergy. This point must be remembered. Now, there are various kinds of energies, and synergy can also be divided in various types. For example, energy can be divided in the form of kinetic energy and potential energy. The forms of energy are much more. For example, energy can be in the form of electrical energy. Energy can be in the form of mechanical energy. Energy can be in the form of thermal energy. Energy can be in the form of nuclear energy. There are several forms of energy. Nuclear energy is also known as atomic energy. Nuclear energy can be transformed into the form of electrical energy, or nuclear energy can be transformed into disastrous energy. Similarly, synergy can also be beneficial synergy or disastrous synergy also. Synergies can be divided in beneficial synergies and disastrous synergies. Now, synergy can also be divided in two groups. First group is of positive synergy and second group is of negative synergy. Now, what is positive synergy and what is negative synergy? Negative synergy is sometimes called as dysergy by some persons. When the combined effect of two or more forces is greater than the sum of individual effects of those forces, then that is known as positive synergy. When the combined effect of two forces is lesser than the sum of individual effects of those forces, then there is a negative synergy. There is negative synergy when combined effect is lesser. This can be told by simple examples. If an observer of synergy says that 4 plus 4 is equal to 9, then it is said that there is positive synergy. When synergy observer says that 4 plus 4 is equal to 7, then you can say that there is negative synergy. When synergy observer says that 4 plus 4 is equal to 10, then there is an existence of positive synergy. When synergy synergy observer or synergy calculator says that 4 plus 4 is equal to 6, then you can say that there is an existence of negative synergy. Why such equations are there? Normal mathematics is different from synergy mathematics. This point must be remembered. In normal mathematics, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. It is truth and it is accepted everywhere. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. But in synergy mathematics, 4 plus 4 can be called as 9, 10, 11 or 8.5, 9.5 or anything which is more than 8 when there is an existence of positive synergy. This is synergy mathematics. Normal mathematics is different, somewhat different. Now, there is a conflict between normal mathematics and this abnormal synergy mathematics. How to remove this conflict? How to remove this conflict? How to overcome this conflict? There is a conflict between normal mathematics and synergy mathematics. How to remove this conflict? This can be removed. For example, you must write the equation as follows. 4 plus 4 plus synergistic effect is equal to 9. This is accurate mathematics. 4 plus 4 plus synergistic effect is equal to 9. But generally in synergy mathematics, synergy observers say that 4 plus 4 is equal to 9 or is equal to 10. That is synergy mathematics. But to remove the conflict between normal mathematics and synergy mathematics, this point must be remembered that 4 plus 4 plus synergistic effect is equal to 9. If you accept this, there will be a removal of the conflict. There will be removal of the fight between normal mathematics and the synergy mathematics. Now the synergy mathematics is sometimes called as synergy arithmetics also. This can be understood by many fellows. Now I will tell you about philosophical mathematics and normal mathematics. Philosophical mathematics is also different from normal mathematics or from synergy mathematics also. What is philosophical mathematics? What is philosophical mathematics? That should be known. For example, if I say that one soul plus one soul plus one soul up to infinity is equal to one worldwide soul or is equal to one supreme soul, then this is philosophical mathematics. 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to infinity, that is resulted in only 1. This is philosophical mathematics. This is very amazing fact. Philosophical mathematics is also different from normal mathematics. Philosophical mathematics is much more different sometimes from normal mathematics. Because you are adding 1 into 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to infinity, but the result is only 1. That is philosophical mathematics. This must be understood. That is philosophical mathematics. Another example of philosophical mathematics will be given now. 1 mind plus 1 mind plus 1 mind up to infinity is equal to one worldwide mind or one supreme mind. How 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to infinity is equal to 1 only? This is philosophical mathematics. This is philosophical mathematics because our minds are included in one supreme mind. This is philosophical mathematics. This is philosophical mathematics. This is not normal mathematics. One mind plus one mind plus one mind plus one mind plus one mind up to infinity is equal to one supreme mind or is equal to one worldwide mind. This is philosophical mathematics. Many persons learn normal mathematics only, but philosophical mathematics and synergy mathematics should also be known. The concept of philosophical mathematics and the concept of synergy mathematics must also be known. In synergy mathematics, there is an increase or decrease. If there is positive synergy, the result is greater than the sum of individuals. If in the case of negative synergy, the combined effect is lesser than the sum of individual effects. That synergy mathematics is different from philosophical mathematics. Now, I will tell you about energy mathematics and synergy mathematics. Energy mathematics is a type of normal mathematics only. In normal mathematics, if energy is considered for calculation, that mathematics is known as energy mathematics. That is a part of normal mathematics only. But synergy mathematics is different. Hence, there is a difference between energy mathematics and synergy mathematics. This point must also be noted. Thus, the mystery behind synergy must also be known. What is the secret of synergy? The answer of such question must be known. What is the mystery? What is the secret of synergy? The secret mainly belongs to synergy mathematics. To avoid the conflict between normal mathematics and synergy mathematics, I have told that 4 plus 4 plus synergistic effect can be termed as 9. 4 plus 4 plus synergistic effect is equal to 9. This is the removal of conflict between the normal mathematics and synergy mathematics. This point must be remembered. Most of you might have understood the difference between energy and synergy, the difference between normal mathematics and synergy mathematics, the difference between philosophical mathematics and synergy mathematics, the difference between energy mathematics and synergy mathematics. These points must be remembered in detail and the conflicts must be removed from our mind. And eternal truth must be accepted. Eternal truth must be accepted. In the field of theosophy, this philosophical mathematics, or you may call theosophical mathematics, is accepted, and it is stated that there is complete uniqueness of only one eternal soul. This must be accepted on the basis of philosophical mathematics. Datta, datta, datta.